learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Trading.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Trading.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading.
Where you will learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading.
Where you will learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Trading.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Trading.
Hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Thank you for being here for fun appreciation for successful trading. Folks, you guys did it. I do not have the words because it's just something that I don't know how to characterize it. Yeah. We this channel reached just moments ago. I was my thought process this morning when I put this together and in the pre-market analysis, right? I just said, okay, fine, let's get together and hey, if it happens live, that will be great. But there are so many people in the background of what this is. I don't know. I think the rest of my week, today is a federal holiday on here, so I am completely devoted to today. So yes, 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. In well, I don't know in what. Where I'm going to take a look and here obviously to take a look when was the first video posted on this channel, and the second thing or the most important thing that we want to do together, I have finally taken the names of our subscribers. Yeah, so let's go here actually to show what YouTube shows me every day. This is the subscribers on here per date of the subscription. And what I did, we have I talked about it for a while now. We did the first one, right, for September. There were maybe less than 15 or so subscribers. So, and the person who we picked, I don't think that person has actually signaled themselves. So what we did now is we took together all of the names, yeah, all of the subscribers from, let's say, September 1st all the way to October 1st. And they are in this box. The names are in this box. Believe it or not. That's an exercise that I did. Can we show that to the camera? So, and we will randomly pick 3 names. Yeah. So those 3 names will be people who will have full access to successful trading's Discord room, alert, coaching, whatever a regular subscriber gets for the duration all the way to the end of the year. Yeah, so we are November 11. Today is Veteran Day in the US, wherever you're watching from. So that's one of the items on here. What's the other item on the agenda as we are still trading? It's SPY has expiration right now, so SPY has not moved at all today, at all. So this has been the very embodiment of do not touch. Yeah, sideways. So we are going just to be patient on here, so patient that even if it does a fake move or anything, we are not going to fall for that because they are known for that, and really really be super patient until we start seeing big candles. So as of now, here SPY, if you are just joining us, you came for trading, live trading, yes, you are the right place. Do not mind us. We are just combining the fact that we just reached 1,000 subscribers today, and thank you, thank you, thank you, and each and every one. We are going to be setting up so many things, folks, in the year to come in 2021. So we really appreciate you sticking out with us because, hey, I'm a nobody. Yeah, we have joked about it for the longest of time. I started this, let's say, I mean, really in earnest, March time frame or so. I remember when I still had 3 subscribers, and my wife is still teasing me each and every day about that. Now look at you. So it's all about you guys, and really my job on here, as I say every morning in pre-market, right? The little knowledge that I have, if it's enough to help somebody acquire knowledge to make an impact on the financial path, that's really what our goal is on here. So each and every day we do a pre-market show at 8 a.m. Eastern. Um, and sometimes we have, just like in these churches, we have jokes about that. We have 5 people or so, but that didn't deter us. And those who have been with us, they know that, hey, our drive is continuing. And now we have the extra motivation that we reached that milestone of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So really, really congratulations to each and every one of you. I want to hear from you guys. I mean, if you are catching it as a playback, please, by all means, say hello in the live chat. We're going to be here for over the next hour and a half or so, all the way to the closing session, obviously. So that's the agenda on here, and let's. So if you see me in the background, I have I will be running at some point some alerts for the traders, because hey, we want to make money tomorrow. The market is open, right? Friday the market's open. Is especially since SPY is not doing anything today at this stage. Definitely, we have good hopes that hey, tomorrow and Friday. Because another expiration come on Friday actually for all the stocks, right? So this is a tight doji here. That's um, this SPY is doing today. QQQ is moving a little bit more, right? So QQQ expiration, QQQ opened a gap top, and the QQQ is gaining 2%, 2.2%, while SPY is at 0.8. But after that gap, SPY just stays steady. QQQ at least it's making some move. So here, from here on, as a preview, hey, QQQ has a shot for 300. So I wouldn't pass it for QQQ to return to 300. That's how volatile this market is, folks. Yeah, on Monday we reached 299.14 on QQQ. Look at it. Yesterday we hit a low of 280. That's 20 points in today. That's, let me always put it in layman terms, right? That's a lot of money to be made on options, folks. Trading weekly options. That's what we do here. So if you are new, you haven't been with us, we trade weekly option. We'll teach you how we have been able to get away with that, because people who trade options, they will tell you, oh, do not touch weekly options. But you have seen here on this YouTube channel how many times we, the so-called 10 baggers, we're gonna be having fun really toward the end of the day. Actually around Thanksgiving, I'm just giving you tidbits of things. So hang in there, folks. We're gonna be having fun with let's say a quiz of polls to get people to increase the awareness of our channel, and in return, definitely those who partake into that, we will give you access to come and trade with us. That's in 2021. That's what it's all about. So ready. So glad that everybody is here. Hello, Mr. Kevin. How are you? Mr. Kevin is a recent, yeah, I think recent, I don't know, Mr. Kevin, how long have you been following us? Instead of me actually guessing or telling something that's not accurate, well, let's say it's all about the fans today. So, how long, Mr. Kevin? Thank you, sir. Thank you. How long have you been following us, Mr. Kevin? Kevin hails from Puerto Rico, and this morning, not only he been attending diligently our morning show at 8:40 Eastern every morning, he brought in his brother. Amazing, folks. This is how things works. While we get your answer, Mr. Kevin, I'm just going to prepare. Let's say I'm gonna use a view on here to for the names to for of the first three the winners. That's where we will have it officially on here. So let me duplicate. I'm duplicating a slide on here in the background. While I Okay, so Mr. Kevin saying that he has been following on since October. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you. So meaning, I'm not sure if, let's say, Mr. Kevin, you subscribe to our channel with I cannot remember all the names, but I have about 45 names on here. So maybe you have a moniker, a nickname, or because your name it's on your phone, right? On your YouTube settings, you need to make it that your names appears on the channel that you subscribe. That's the only way for us to know that you subscribe. So Mr. Kevin, if you have done that and toggle it off or on, you may want to do that, and anybody for that matter, because we are going to have another random selection in December to give away again free membership to our followers. So today there are three such names, and they're gonna be coming. I put the names on here. If you're just joining now, I'm gonna be drawing them, and then we're gonna write them down such that there is no controversy about a potential recount and things of that nature. No, just having fun on here. So yeah, YouTube Viewers Appreciation Day is what it is today. We're going to be checking live trading if opportunity arise over the next few minutes for us to make money here on SPY. So our three winners, let's say here, I'm just writing down. So three winners to trade with us until the end of the year. So hopefully, I mean, it will be interesting. I mean, if people, the September winner, we have not heard from that person at all. So it's okay. It's okay. So somebody else will benefit from that. So we're gonna put them here, number 1, number 2, and number 3. After we do the drawing, and we will be sharing that screen such that everybody can see that live. All right, so let's see. Let me maybe share that screen. That's way people know what I'm doing in the background here, instead of just so I'm just sharing my PowerPoint. Yeah, so I'm using the same slide, and we're gonna put their names on here, and hey, maybe we make it a thumbnail for Appreciation Day. Yeah, that would be fun. So let me save this, and let's see, what time do we want to do that? I mean, let's say in about, I think in the next couple of minutes. We're going. Yeah, it's okay to do that, because then we will have the last hour of the trading session dedicated to checking SPY and spying on SPY to see SPY is trading at 356 right now. Really, the entire day. So it has been how many hours now? 9:30. We are currently 2:30. So yeah, 5 hours of SPY just doing sideways, folks. And that's, I mean, it's frustrating, but hey, we have to recognize that as traders and not fall for it. So that means that we have a very good likelihood for movement on Thursday, on Friday, and we know, should SPY, even if let's say we don't take any trade right by the end of this day, we can set ourselves up for Friday expiration. So yeah, at least trust me, you will get a trade today, no matter what. Either it's a live trade on here that's materialized itself. Let me show you here on the. Let me switch screen again. Sorry about that. You're currently seeing the PowerPoint. Actually, let's do this next. Let's finish the PowerPoint, and let's just get on with it. Okay, so folks, without any further ado, maybe let's put some music in. No, no, I only have one music as of now. I did a poor job preparing for this show, so let's put some successful trading intro music in, and then we go through the drawing of the lucky winners for to come trade with us for the rest of the year.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
All right. Well, welcome to Successful Tradings. Bienvenue sur Successful Trading. Willkommen zu Successful Trading. You are watching a live broadcast coming to you from Southern California for Fan Appreciation Day on this Veteran Day in the US for our subscribers. So I'm holding in my hand, I've been touching this for a while now. So I'm holding a small box where I just I wrote down the names of the 30 or 30 something. Yeah, it's like 35 subscribers. Where did I take those names? So it's just so that there's no confusion. These are the names that YouTube yeah, let me switch to that screen, Telex. It will be easier. Let me switch to that screen. All right, these are the name, folks, that YouTube shows me on when people subscribe. So these names here starting September 1st all the way to October 31st. There are over 30 of them. I can only display 50 here per page. That's why you're seeing only this. So those are the names on here. So we are going to proceed now to buy. We are not buying options here, Alex. To get to pick the first name, right? I shake, yeah, it's shakeable. It's so that it's completely random. So I'm gonna close my eyes because I'm in front of a camera. So we need to make it fair enough for everybody. So okay, so I only have one. So now this is it here. No funny business, Telex. All right, and reveal the name onto the camera. Yeah. So and then turn around and read that name. So Danny Liu. Liu is the last name, I believe. The first name is Danny. It's our first winners, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to Danny. So for Danny, let's go ahead with some successful trading music.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
All right. I'm checking SPY, folks. Yeah, SPY, it's just went not quite a full point. It's printing at 35, 32. Let's record Danny's Louis name before things get maybe interesting with SPY. But I mean, as of now, we have seen this. Don't fall for the head fake, because it could be they usually will do this thinking that, oh, they are going for puts, and before you know it, trust me, it's too early. A move of less than a point on SPY, you're not missing anything. If, let's say, that's the direction that you want to trade. I will be patient on here, because if anything, the further the drop it at this stage, the more likely that it's going to rip off in a few minutes. Yeah, that's how SPY rolls. So I'm recording Danny Louis as the first name. So then I can put this aside and proceed with a second name picking on here for our second winner out of our list of subscribers between September 1st and October 31st. All right, I have another name on here. So no funny business for the camera. So you guys can read that. Okay. Okay, so the second winner is Bernard Soblett. Bernard, en français dans le texte, Sublett, Sublett is our second winner, and we can go ahead with a congratulatory music from Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings.
Why you will learn to trade options as a beginner.
All right. We have two down. One last lucky winner to come trade with Successful Trading for the rest of 2020. It is fun YouTube videos appreciation day, on a day where we hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, folks. We are grateful. So here is the box, the magic box, if you will, and we are picking one final name on here for this month. And so here we are showing that name. Here it is, folks, for the camera and everybody. The name is TechSales01. TechSales01, folks. And we are going to give them some congratulatory music, and then we move forward. Our spy is moving a little bit as of now.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings.
Why you will learn to trade options as a beginner.
Congratulations, folks. Congratulations. Let's switch screens on here and share the name, reveal the three names of the viewers, the subscribers who have made it to trade with Successful Trading for free, folks, until the end of the year. Here are the names in our screen, and we're gonna use this as a thumbnail. So our lucky winners: number 1, Danny Liu; number 2, with my French accent, Bernard Soblett; and number 3, TechSales01. Those are the 3 winners, folks. Congratulations to them. And we hope, if you are catching this broadcast and you are not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. But before you subscribe, make sure that we can see that YouTube will communicate. That's an option on your device, on your YouTube account setting, to let, when you subscribe to a channel, to let the channel on which you subscribe see that. When I see that, then I will put you in next month's drawing, which will happen, because we want to make it, it's gonna be happening right just before Christmas or something. And then people who subscribe after Christmas, they will be put into the January drawing. Yeah. All right. So congratulations to everybody, folks. Really, I cannot. This is great. I'm really looking forward to meeting, hey, Danny, Bernard, and Tech Sales, really, because that's so for me. The experience of trading, is not just sitting in front of the screen, is the relationship with the people. And as I say, that relationship with the people, I have a great relationship with one that I'm seeing in the chat rooms. She must be laughing right now in Douala, where it's currently, what time is it right now in Douala? It's just 6 minutes to 9 p.m. So that's none other than my dear sister. So every time that I hear to this music, I will be telling you stuff about the music that you're hearing, where it's coming from, the voice that you're hearing, where they're coming from. Yeah, sooner than later. So welcome. Merci beaucoup pour tout ce que vous faites pour Successful Trading. Vraiment. Aujourd'hui, c'est un jour spécial. I'm taking the time, even to, we believe in multicultural languages on here. So yes, I do speak French. We even have video in French. After this, most likely, I'm not have promised. It's my duty to create a video on FinViz where I go further details in some of the feature in French, because we posted a video that we thought was helpful to our French audience, but it wasn't quite complete. So we are looking forward to that. All right. Okay. So SPY is currently 355.58. So you saw that little dip there. That may have been a fake, right? So let's see how they are doing it here. So maybe it was an opportunity for us to buy the dip, because that's a move. But it's currently 5 minutes to 3 p.m. Eastern. It is 11:55 Pacific time in Southern California, where I'm coming to you live on this Memorial Veterans Day. Yes, so you see how I went Labor Memorial. No, it's Veterans Day, man. It's Veterans Day. Yes, we are already November 11th. So thank you everybody for being here. So maybe now let's really switch to the chart of SPY, because we have our winners. We congratulated them. Now the rest of the folks here, at least those who are live, because if you want to trade SPY and you are watching a playback version of this, yeah, maybe for a setup for next week, but not next week. Next expiration is Friday, but here, this is what I'm saying, and this is where we want to be. All right. So 15-minute chart of SPY looks like this, and maybe we're gonna do a split screen. You see this, folks? Yeah, that's what. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Maybe no, it's not that far away. Maybe if somebody took advantage of that dip to say, because we don't know. As of now, this setup is bearish. Don't get me wrong, yeah? But we have seen this before, where they purposely do this and then just spike right up from here. So the setup here for us that we are looking at is below VWAP posting lower lows. But that lower lows, folks, how many points was it here? From 350, we couldn't take the trade on this candle, yeah? This candle here, the big candle, red candle here that you are seeing here, wasn't quite met. Yeah, it closed below VWAP, but I mean, yeah, it's questionable. This candle, yes, yeah, after this candle. And then, so if you enter this candle 356, the low, you went 355, so you got 1 point. I don't know, that could be 10 cents. You could have scalped 10 cents under. So for us now, the question is, we are going to be bearish. Look at this, folks. It doesn't get any better than this. If you haven't done technical analysis, I definitely invite you to subscribe to this channel. I guarantee you, we can teach you technical analysis like none other. We have tons of videos, yeah? We just released a video on how to set up your trading view. We just did, yeah? So, which one am I showing? I wanted to share the video that we just released on how to set up the trading view. Here it is, folks. This was minutes ago. This was okay. This video then will have a significant sentimental value of any type. We're gonna call this the 1,000 subscriber video, how to set up trading view, because this is something that we teach when people come on the one-on-one coaching. We have others tutorial, if you will, on trading view, but it wasn't really one that was just going step by step. Hey, this is how I put on my Bollinger Band. Here's how I put out my exponential moving average. Why are we using exponential average versus single moving average? Here's how we put on VWAP. So we dedicated this video. Is not that long, as you know. So traders have been giving feedback that, hey, your videos are not even that long. They're less than 15 minutes. Yes, that's by design. Trust me. If let's say we have content that's larger, sometimes we have longer videos like on for flow algo. It's better for us to break them down. Yeah. So part 1, part 2, and so forth. So this video, I like this video. I like the guy who is on there. I don't know. That's just he's a nice looking fellow. But in any case, hey, Tech Sales is here. Congratulations, Tech Sales. Tech Sales is inside of the chat room. Oh my goodness, congratulations. All right, we need to play successful trading music. Tech Sales is here. Tech Sales, please, congratulations, sir. All you have got to do, send me an email. Yes, you won, sir. You won. Send me an email. I will reply immediately, giving you access to Discord, and from there you will have access to everything. You will have access until the end of the year to our alerts. You will be able to trade our alerts. You will be able to come to one-on-one coaching with me. I don't know how long you have been trading, but whatever that's needed for your trading, sir, It's unsuccessful trading. It's Fan Appreciation Day. Oh man, this is making my day. Congratulations, Mr. Congratulations. Congratulations. Please, please, now we are looking for Danny and Bernard. Danny and Bernard are the last two remaining, right? We want to have all of you guys. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Congratulations. Wow, that's amazing. How are you alerted? Tech sales. Well, how? Oh, Tech Sales is already a pay member. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't know who Tech Sales is because that's mean that Tech Sales use a different names inside of Discord than here. That's congratulations. Okay, well, we will need to work out something. Tech Sales saying that he's already a pay member. That's fantastic. Yeah, folks, that's happened. Meaning typically people will check out Successful Trading's YouTube channel, right? And then eventually they subscribe to our channel. We have seen that a great deal. So Tech Sales, what's your your handle inside of our Discord? Because I don't have, unless I missed it. Oh, that's Doctor. Oh, that's Doctor. Yeah. Yo, okay. Okay. So Doctor, yeah, Doctor HVARCT. Yes, that much I know. I think Doctor Tech Sales joined literally. We spoke like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and then he joined last week, I believe, if my memory serves me right. Congratulations, sir. We still need to we will work out something. Don't worry about that. Trust me. We will still celebrate you. We will absolutely celebrate you. You won square, fair and square. So we have to give you something. We will work something. So I don't know if the Bernard, that's what happened, folks, right? Because people use different name handle in different platforms. So inside of our Discord, we are fairly familiar with the name, all of our traders' name. So that's great. That's great. Yep, I recognize that name. Yep, Dr. HVRACRC. Yep. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Where were we? Where were we? Yeah, I definitely I switched from the chart to, because when I saw the name, I was like, oh, he's here. So he's here. At least, okay, one person, because so far I've been like, I'm trying to give freebies to Successful Trading, and the lucky winner for September never materialized. That was funny. All right, folks, it's currently 3:03 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY, it's about a 57-minute plus the extra 15 minutes, right? So if you are a new trader or a beginner trader, know that SPY has expiration on Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. But what I wanted to add here is that SPY, as other ETF, has an extra 15 minutes after the close where we can trade it. Yes, so meaning that the market closes every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. You can trade SPY, QQQ, IWM, DIA. Those are the main ETF that we trade. We don't really partake into some others. You can trade them until 4:15 Eastern Time. That will be 1:15 Pacific Time. Yeah, or whatever time zone that you are in, whatever part of the world that you are in, you can trade it, and then 15 minutes later. Okay, folks. Okay, now remember what we said here. I don't even know if I finished. I mean, there's so much excitement. As I was saying that I'm looking for the crossover of the AMA yellow line below the green line. That's gonna confirm the bearish trend, folks. Yeah. So I think we are getting there. They can head fake us, but I think right now we can get there. So the question right now, can we venture into some type of strike price on here? 350, those who know me how I trade, yeah, I like round numbers. So 350 is definitely what we have in mind. But the question is, are we going to use today's expiration or are we going to use Friday expiration? You can do both, yeah, because let's go in here in the background and tell you a SPY right now. Congratulations, folks. If you're trading the 90 puts of a win that we gave yesterday, was it yesterday, the Strangle, you're making money, because I think they were going for 60 cents and right now they are printing $1.11, $1.15. Not too bad, not too shabby. So we are looking at SPY. Let me go on the option chain. I'm not sharing that screen yet folks. And we want to keep our eyes on that chart. On that chart. That's the 15-minute chart of SPY. Let me maybe make it. Yeah, is it viewable completely? Yeah, this is beta. All right, this is beta here. So you are seeing everything. So as of now, SPY has put 4 consecutive red candles. Yeah. So trust me, this thing on Monday, if you don't believe this, let's go zoom out and show you which that transpired on Monday. Look at Monday. This was the last candle on Monday. So meaning SPY can really taunt us here. Yeah, they will do some head fake here at some point, very shortly here. They will try to come back to the moving average. I guarantee you that. Yeah. So once they do that, it's actually a good opportunity for us. Maybe that's where we enter that trade with great resolution. So the question which we have right now, okay, so we are in bearish settings, at least we believe that, unless they fake us out. There's no telling folks. So hence we are risking very little. If we are risking very little and we say for instance that we want to trade, let's say November 11, the 352 puts, 353 puts, they are going for 8 cents folks. Yeah, so let's go ahead and grab them. 353 puts for 8 cents. Yeah, that's is that possible? 8 cents. Yeah, if you have 8 cents, hey, lose it. That's something that we can do, right? So maybe let's put in a bid as they're trying to do, which that I said. So let's put in a bid for 7 cents and see if we get a fill. So November the 11 expiration on SPY, 353 puts for 7 cents. Let's see. This doesn't get any live than this. Yeah, and typically folks, the moment that you get those, yeah, in order to hedge in case let's say they decide to go the opposite direction, then you can take calls expiring on Friday, on the 13th of November. So for those, let's say right now at 355, we can say for Friday then as a hedge of our current position, because we are committed to these puts to make money right now. Yes, on the day that we got 1,000 subs. So which track are we using for the calls for Friday? We can use, again folks, cheap stuff, right? So let's say SPY 4 points, ATR per day, that put it 360. How about we go with the 365 calls for Friday, November the 13th, trading right now at 10 cents. Yeah? So those are our 2 trade, and we feel confident about that. So that SPY at 8 cents, they are not doing anything about it. They are just restricting people. For me, I'm actually going to go and say, okay, I want to commit. So the November 11, meaning expire in about an hour, 353 for 8 cents. Yeah, but once we do that, we have to hedge, and we are using a hedge on calls for using the November 13, meaning in 2 days, and we are going for the 365 calls as our hedge. They are going for bid is at 9 cents, ask is at 10 cents. Okay, so if we go and grab those, so meaning which that happened, right folks? If let's say SPY dumps on here and our puts they pay, that means we will still have those calls for Friday, but they're going to be super cheap, in which case we can add to them at the end of the day here in about an hour and 15 minutes. That's how you position yourself on a hedge. So you see, we promise you live trading. It doesn't get any better than this. I'm actually excited to see what happens. And if nothing happens, here's what's going to happen. We are going to lose our 7 cents or 8 cents that we are giving them for today, but we are going to have the calls for Friday. Does that make sense, folks? And as I say that, you see, they are trying to come back up, right? At 356. Those are the games, folks. Those are the games that they play in here. So if this is a reversal, then we will be paid on using the calls for Friday, which is not bad because we have time left on it and they are not that expensive. Again, if you are new here, we don't need to be in the money to make big money. Yeah. So for my fans in Douala, this is what it means by that, meaning that we're spending $10, yeah, per actual money per contract on those calls, or $7, $8 per contract on the puts. And after you do that, folks, you can sit back, relax, and watch the show. So let me check if there is any question inside of the room. What indicator is that you are using? Hello, Mr. Don, how are you? So if you are looking at the chart right now that we are sharing with you, we all have on here, we just did a video actually explaining all of this. So I'm going to paste that video there below your question shortly, but we are using the orange line is called volume weighted average price, or VWAP. And the green line is the exponential moving average 20. The yellow line is the exponential moving average 8 period. And the red line, the red circle on top, the upper Bollinger, that's our upper Bollinger. And the purple cross at the bottom, they represent the lower Bollinger. The white line is the middle of the upper and lower Bollinger, or the middle of the Bollinger band. Yeah. And let me go and check, grab that video link. This is the video, right? How to set up TradingView chart. This is it. It's something that was overdue for us. We teach our traders on how to do that here. I mean, I like this number next to that video. Channel analytics, 1001 subscribers. So okay, so whoa, 1002. Will this be will 1000 be resistance or support? How will that go about? Let me grab this video. I cannot help myself. So we want to grab this video. So we need to go to video because it's just displayed on the dashboard. I need to go here and upload how to set up. So let's go to that video. Oh, can I do that? Yep. Get a shareable link and paste it in here to answer Mr. Don question. Hello, Mr. Don. Is this the first time catching our live broadcast? So that's the link for a full explanation of which that we are doing here, which indicators you are currently showing. Yeah, currently was earlier that you are seeing on your chart, on this TradingView chart. We try really to minimize the indicators. Like even in the video, I talked just a little bit about the MACD. Yeah, the MACD is an indicator as well, meaning that its direction, though it's lagging, it tells us a potential direction. So price here has been coming down, right? MACD has a crossover between its signal. So the signal of the MACD is the orange line here on top, and the MACD itself is in blue. I mean, you can put any color you want, but then this here showing that a bearish trend. Now that trend, again with SPY, you never know what they're going to do. So for us on here, and my friend, we have to be as patient as possible, because you could be wondering, oh, whoa, we were in this trade, so there are an hour left or so, actually 45 minutes in the true session. So how are we going to make money here? Again, this candle alone, I kid you not, this candle alone that you see here is a 15-minute candle on Monday on SPY. The contract, the 357 contract, they were going for 14 cents. They closed at $2.90. 2,000% gain in 15 minutes. That's why we love SPY. Or maybe that's why some hate SPY. But the trend, look at how the trend started. Just nonchalantly, posting lower lows. Yeah, we were below VWAP for the longest of time. For the entire day, actually, we were below VWAP. Yeah, posting lower lows on this trend on here, and then zoom, they dump it. So are they going to dump it here, or are they going to do a switcheroo, a head fake, and just spark the other way? Hence, we are trading here. Join us. We are trading November 11, expiring today. Yes, we can do that. 353 puts. And we are hedging that with the November 13 365 calls. The puts were worth I think 7 cents bid. and they should even be cheaper now because they're trying to reverse, right? So we just want movement, right? We just want a massive movement. We want, let's say, in order for the 353 to be in the money, we want, let's say, 4 or 5 points move in the next hour. Trust me, it's possible. And for the call, I mean, if it start going up, it's okay. We have tomorrow and we have Friday. So that's where we stand right now with our friend Spy here. No problem, Mr. Don. Okay, folks, say something. What else would you like us to take a look at? Do you have a chart, a specific stock that you want to take a look at? Actually, what I'm saying that I need to do something myself. I need to run our AI machine to get traders into maybe some setups for. So I'm doing that on a different screen on here. I will still stay on screen, folks. Don't worry. We know how to multitask at successful trading. So I'm just going to be looking away, but. Hello, Jake. How are you, sir? Welcome. Oh yeah, Mr. Kevin, definitely. We can take a look at Baba. Oh my goodness, Baba, Baba. I was about to say Baba. Is no bueno. So Baba, as I'm firing up the computer on the other screen. So let's just open a window here for Baba. Baba is Baba is yeah. Baba here. I'm not confident trading Baba here because though the direction is bearish. Yeah, let's look at the daily. Okay, we're posting lower lows. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, but I'm not sure. At least this morning, what did we say? We said 250. Yeah, they took their time, right? Because we gapped down. We opened at 261. They went at 271. So that would have been actually a good day trade. Let's say if you use your chocolate or vanilla gangster trade on it, you made money. Yeah, definitely. But it wasn't even on my radar. For the longest of time. I didn't take any trade today, folks. I was just busy preparing for this, and I went for a walk, came back. I didn't take any trade other than the trade that we just took on SPY. So yeah, Baba, as of now, the direction on Baba, I will wait to see if there's support. If there's support at 250, but obviously we are trading at what's the current value? We are trading at 265. So from 270 to where we are right now, yeah, you could have traded it in both directions or at least scalp. Not massive gains like these ones here we did on last earnings, but the gains were there on was it yesterday? Yeah, the gains were there yesterday on Baba. For us, we made money with hedging the hedge that we had because this thing again. I want to not again. Let's just explain it simply, right? You see, this is a reason why when you get into technical analysis, you start wondering, hey, Telex, why are you using the yellow and the green? The yellow is the exponential moving average 8, and the green is the exponential moving average 20. What does it mean? It means that the yellow is averaging the price of the stock over the last 8 candles, no matter the duration of the candle. The candle can be daily, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, doesn't matter. It's giving us that exponential moving average. The difference between an exponential moving average and a simple moving average is that when you are doing exponential moving average from a mathematical perspective, you are giving more weighting to the most recent data point. So imagine a sequence of 8 points and you are doing an exponential moving average on it. So the last 3 points, you give them a higher coefficient instead of giving 1 divided by 8, with its 12% to each one of the data points. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter using moving exponential or simple moving average. The philosophy is the same. The principle here is that for us, we get confirmation of the direction when the recent momentum, meaning the 8, the green, the yellow one, crosses in either direction. Here it's crossing it bullishly. Yeah, here. If I can, let me adjust my chart a little bit. Yep. Let's move away this back all trade on Baba. So here the yellow line was moving bullishly above the green line, so we went into a bullish pattern, yeah, with support being that yellow line. Now conversely, here we crossed below the green line. When was this? On November the 4th. And since then, I mean, a lot of sideways on here, but then big move came here where we went with a gap down on yesterday, right? And today we are here. We are here in parts. It doesn't mean that we are bullish all of the sudden, right? That's why I'm careful, because the reason we are here, things that happen when we fall below the Bollinger Band, computers are programmed to buy stocks automatically on here. So you see, like this one, this huge buy here, huge buy because the price hit a low of 279, but then we closed 7.8 points higher. Then we went higher for a couple of days. Well, one day gap up a little bit here at open, but they sell it off right back. So the price action on Baba, it may be a little bit wait and see. I mean, you can scalp it, but it's not something as of now to really with certainty on there. If there's any certainty, the certainty is that it's posting lower lows, so it's bearish. If you ask me, the slope of the yellow line, the exponential moving average 8, is giving us the clear direction. Even though you can have days like this one where you can scalp some calls. Does that make sense, or does that help? All right, here is our SPY. Okay, we are about to see a crossover on the 15-minute chart on SPY. We are November 11. If you are joining us now, we are trading live on SPY on here for expiration. We took a position on the 353 puts expiring today, and we are hedging that with the 365 calls expiring on this coming Friday, November the 13th. And they were relatively cheap, 8 cents and 10 cents respectively. And right now, we are just watching. Hopefully no sideways here. Come on, SPY, do something. All right. I'm doing okay, Mr. Jake. I'm doing all right. They have it that Successful Trading Channel just went above 1,000 subscribers, so I am excited. I am, and then we for Fan Appreciation Day today, we are giving away. We identified 3 subscribers to which we are going to be giving free subscription until the end of the year. One of those is none other than TechSales01, who recently joined likely last week, but we're going to work out something with him, with that trader. While you guys are doing that, I really need to run this program right now. I have an AI machine that tells us what to trade at Successful Trading. If this is if you are new here, that's what we do here. That's how we have been able to get all of the so-called 10 baggers, right? Maybe I should be flashing that here, and yeah, let's do that. Let me. Yeah, but should we do that, or should we watch SPY? Let's actually put everybody on their eyes on SPY. Here SPY. Here comes SPY. So SPY here for us, we're gonna really be bearish, folks. When we say, let's say when we post a new low of the day here, the low of the day is below this candle 355. If we post below 355, we can be confident, and that will be your opportunity to scale more into that those put position, right? So that's how we are to be trading, meaning that we add more to a position when that position is winning. That's how you make more money. So that position here for us are the 353 puts, and they are now worth 7 cents from 8 cents ask. Now the ask is 7 cents. So let's see on here that crossover. It's looking awfully closer and closer, folks. So what's gonna happen here? So just like on Monday, because these computers, folks, they like to do things. Yeah, so let's say they did it on Monday. Can they do it on can they do it on Wednesday and then on Friday again? We shall see. All right, so let's see. SPY is playing games. We have all day. I mean, today is a holiday, and this year, SPY, we have nothing else to nothing else to do, right? So, so we are just watching you show us which way you want to go. Okay, I just have to input some parameters in there. All right, so the 353, yeah, two and a half points away from them, 5 cents. Trust me, the 357 on Monday, it was a roller coaster. I kid you not. They took it. Uh, I think I started monitoring it 32 cents. They took it to 14. They went to 21. They went back to like 12, and so forth. Here, I mean, 5 6 cents. Yeah, it's like okay. So they can play quite for quite a bit here. And then when they decide, when they know that either they're, because they know how many positions are open, right? Because today is expiration, the computers have access to all the data. So uh, it's just a game time for them to make sure that their objective, how much money they want to make, it's achieved. But so when they make money, meaning some traders are losing money. That's how trading is, right? When you take a trade, somebody else is on the end of the trade, and once that's done, they can then send the stock where they want it to send it. Hence, you see this last minute move that we have been talking today. Really, I'm hoping something will materialize out of this. If not, at least is a learning opportunity for you to realize the potential that exists in the market on SPY on expiration days, which are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. $0.04, $0.05. The more time passes by, meaning the closer we are to the end of the close of the market, we are about 30 minutes away now, the cheaper those options are going to be. But if the stock is not moving, then the theta decay will be taking over, and that's how we lose money, or they make money. They being the market makers, right? So as of now, the price has been stagnant, 355.46. With 30 minutes to go, again, this is you, you need to be patient into this, because when they decide to move, they are not going to warn us. So it's just going to be a big candle move of the like of which that you can see on your charts, the 15-minute charts on Monday. So 355.44. So let's see. Let's see. I'm still running my AI file on here, so that's hence my staying away. Okay, so 355.46. Yeah, it's I don't know. For me, I got used to sometimes. This is just really for educational purpose. I mean, when you master this, then you can be more confident about attacking this. So how do I enter the giveaway? Oh, Mr. Jake, to enter the giveaway, subscribe to our channel, but make sure when you subscribe, sir, that's on your setting on your YouTube account, you have made it that is visible to me. Have we entered the trade? Yes, we have entered the trade, sir. So I'm not sure. That question is from Jitendra. Yes, we have entered the trade. So we are trading the 353 puts expiring today, and the 365 calls expiring Friday. All right. Thank you, Jake, for being a subscriber. In the meantime, let's say I can see a stock that's I'm just switching screen on here. There's a stock that has a berry setup on here, RCL. This is a stock that for us we recommended the traders to look at. It's similar to the other one that we talked about earlier, Win. They started the week bullishly. Okay, so when we talked about it, right? Lower lows, folks. This is like a heavenly trade. I don't know, heavenly trade or whatever. Meaning we called it easy. Was it, who was my friend? Was it Mr. Ali? After he made his money on, was it Baba and QQQ saying going down all day long? This is the trend trade that we love here. Below VWAP, not that we love. I mean, the setup is just that it's really something perfect, right? Below VWAP, posting lower lows, and the stock, well, here trying to go above the closest resistance level, the EMA 8, the yellow line. But my friend, we should not be exiting this trade here. No way. We stay in because we wait at the end of that 15 minutes. The next candle tell us no worries, and then we are continuing lower. So we talked about this. This one win is we gave our recommendation yesterday for a strangle on it. If you don't know what a strangle is, we will teach you that. A strangle consists of a put and a call simultaneously. I think was it the 90 puts, which are like $1 something, just share of the money. We're only Wednesday, folks. So payday it's Wednesday and Thursday typically here. So we still have time on it, but nice trend on here. And really, if we look at it on a different timeline, let's say on the hourly, there's this huge gap, yeah? So they love doing this market makers. So we're in the middle of the gap and then they slow it down. So that's okay. We will be patient. Perfect opportunity to get involved again, yeah? If you are holding the 90 puts and because now I think they have appreciated, you can definitely take further a further strike, right? So a further strike low, there's all of this gap. They could fill it on Friday. I'm not saying that gonna do that. So halfway through here, how about the 83, 84 puts, for instance? So those are still available to you on there, because if you were trading the 90 and I mean, hopefully maybe you took partial profit. Yes, that's what we will recommend here, because those guys they like to play game like this. You took partial profit and set up maybe even some cheap 80. You don't know. On a misunderstanding, tomorrow this thing starts at 88. And before you know it, you can turn a few pennies into dollars. All right, let me really 2 minutes here to run this through before it's too late. So hopefully that we will give you some positions here to be taking into Friday, into tomorrow and Friday, because SPY is just crawling literally to its, yeah, we have seen this movie before, yeah. Wow. All right, Spy. Well, not no more, not movement yet. Not no movement yet. Again, this should not be deterring you from. I mean, you can exit the position, but I mean, with the minimal risk that we took, for us, we are comfortable. Hey, drawing those penny Spy. Should they decide finally to make it move, the crossover has happened, right? This crossover here of the yellow line below the green line, meaning pushing the price down, and there is a gap on here at least. So again, this on a single candle, because computers are the one who are moving the stock, right? The stock market in general, and something like SPY is definitely through algo. So uh, last 15 minutes on Monday were when everything happened. Kid you not, meaning if you close your position at this time on Monday, you came back 30 minutes later, you would have won. Oh my God, what happened? So for us, we are sticking in. Beside, we have, I mean, we have the hedge on the call side, which expire on Friday. So yeah, in any case, it's one of those Lotto learning experience. But hey, I'm not giving up on it because I've seen this movie before. As long as we are below here at any time, it can goes into a series of madness and red candles. Wow. Mr. Tech Sales is saying that his birthday is on November the 20th. Wow, congratulations, sir. Congratulations. All right, all right. Let me see if this well, my little report has run here. To see what we have from there. Let's see. Oops, let me first do this. All right. Interesting there. All right, we have the so-called AI report for today. Let's see, is there anything worth our while here? What does it say? That's interesting. Let's see, did we... Ha! Yeah, as our concentration was a little bit off. Yeah, now SPY it's back to above 356. Okay, sure, guys. Well, they so actually, why are we not in? So this is what happening. Sorry, this is what happening. But that yellow line, as long as we are below that yellow line, we are still that's natural resistance, right? So this is the very embodiment of, if you're learning about support and resistance. Notice how the yellow line now is acting as a barrier to the price. So how are we going to react on here? And the other thing is that on the lower end of it, and we can read it here on the chart, the price was opened below the lower Bollinger. Yeah, the lower Bollinger was 355.57 as of now, and we opened at 355.38, and now they are trying to push to get past the resistance, the yellow line exponential moving average 8, which is at 356.14, if you will. So you see here, one full hour pretty much has gone by where we haven't moved that much on SPY. These are the type of activities. I mean, we spent 5 hours today, nothing happened. But here, since for us we have been involved here or thereabout, 1 full hour has gone by, nothing. Nothing. This is the type of patience that you may need on expirations and to just really watch it. Does it mean that you're gonna win every single day? No, but my friend, it just suffices like a case like Monday, you made a 20 bagger in 15 minutes. So test this strategy on your own and then share a result with us on here on YouTube channel. Okay, so let's see. I made a mistake there. Okay, so let's run this again. I made a mistake in terms of dates on our report, hence we were getting an empty report. Okay, this should be good now. Let's go back here. All right, so here we go. Okay, this is good. Okay, so SPY definitely testing that resistance back up now. That's interesting. Typically, if a stock is rejected at resistance level, then it switches direction and start going the opposite direction, right? So watch out on here, or it finds enough buyers and then they can propulse it back to above that resistance. So that's what SPY is hinting at. Right now we have 2 minutes. Always, it's not always, I say always, but it's good practice to wait until the end of the candle. So meaning if you are watching 15-minute candle, wait until the end of the candle. Hence, because that tends to give you confirmation about a specific direction. Making a decision in the middle of the candle, and for us we use 15-minute candle so as not to make too many decisions with the 5-minute candle, because that's it's noisier, if you will. Sorry, my attention was drawn so much into running the AI machine. Okay, so now we close above both the exponential moving average 8 and the exponential moving average 20. So now what's going to happen? Typically, a stock here will come back and retest that prior resistance, which could become support, has to become support before the price continue its move up. So what are they going to do here? It's anybody guess. So we are currently at 3:45 Eastern Time. The regular market will be closing in exactly 15 minutes. SPY will be closing 15 minutes later, as well as QQQ at 4:15 Eastern Time. Okay, the machine is giving us a trade. I think it's actionable. Let's go ahead, and while we watch SPY do nothing, it happens sometimes, folks, especially when I prepare myself into this, right? I think though, between Win, RCL, definitely you set up a strangle on those for Friday. They will come to resolution. The bias is bearish for those two. for those who have an appetite for something newer, I am just looking and giving you a trade here. I will be looking at the strike price here, communicating them to you in a moment. All right, let's go ahead and hailing from the land of Baba, let's go ahead and take a look at IQ. Our AI machine is saying that, okay, this setup here out of IQ, this is the daily chart. It's at support, yeah, because 3 times it has bounced off of the yellow line, the exponential moving average 8. So that's bullish, though the 2 candles here are reddish. So it's ready for a move. That move going to be, will it be on the upside? If that's the case on here, so let's go for that. So we can try, let's see here, let's try to set up a, will it be cheap? We don't know if it will be cheap. I'm checking the price on the option chain of IQ, so the stock is IQ. So if we try expiration on Friday, definitely you can carry expiration for next week. Don't be shy about that, yeah. But let's go first with the expiration on this Friday. They're a little bit expensive. The puts, because they're in the money, the 26.5 puts, they're in the money. So I'm not going to go for that because I want to recommend things that are relatively cheap, that we don't have to spend our money. We know that we have a bias bit here. So for us, let's go 25.5 puts on IQ expiring this Friday. 25.5 puts. So that is the hedge inside of this triangle. And then on the call side, we are not going to take that many chances. We're going to go 26.5 calls on IQ. They're going for 26 cents on the bid, 29 cents on the ask. So, and that's our bias direction. So November 13, IQ, 26.5 calls. The stock is currently trading at 26.18. And on the put side, November 13, meaning 2 days from now, 25.5 for 12 cents. The bid is 12 cents. The ask is 16 cents. All right, folks, that's why our machine, my machine is on my left, on your right. And you are currently looking at the daily chart of IQ in front of your eyes. It's ready for a move. And because as of now, the trend here, the overall trend is bullish, right? The overall trend is bullish. Why? Because we have been posting higher highs on this stock. The stock has been posting higher highs since, let's say, the 26th of October. Yeah, it just marked a pause on here, and every time it has come back and bounced off of the yellow line on there. After bouncing, typically find itself trading outside of the upper Bollinger. Right now, that upper Bollinger is 27. What's the upper Bollinger here? Let me share that with everybody. The upper Bollinger right now is stand at 27.35. It will most likely increase a little bit tomorrow by a few cents. They're about, let's say, 27.5. Hey, the stock go to 27.5. You're trading the 26.5 calls. They go up a dollar. You stand to make some few change for the weekend, my friends. So that's our recommendation on this appreciation day for you. So 26.5, they are 25 cents times 30. So 25 bid, 30 cents, 26, yeah, 26 cents, 29 cents right now, even coming down. If you're patient, you can see a few cents here and there from them, them being the market makers. And if it goes to 27 by Friday, you are going to be making at least 40 cents under. So that's over 100% thereabouts. So that's our recommendation on here. And while we do that, SPY is going bullishly. So today they decided to head fake. I mean, they can change in the last 9 minutes, but right now it's facing resistance at the VWAP. You see the price VWAP. What's the VWAP on SPY on here? VWAP, it's currently at 356.61, and it went as high as 356.88. Yeah, that's what they do in the last 5 minutes. So don't be surprised here if all of a sudden here we close at like 357.5, 358. Yeah, we are not sweating it. Why? Because we took the calls expiring on Friday. So meaning that this move on here bullishly, yeah, we lost on the puts. We knew that if it didn't go into that direction, we will lose those cheap puts that we got at 7 cents. But we got the calls, and those now, they will be the one appreciating, and we still have tomorrow and Friday as well. All right. So hopefully you got something out of this. Let's see if there are questions. What platform are you using for tradings? Hello, Mr. Travis. So for us, for trading, actually, we can flash you onto that. Let's see here. Which screen are we on? Oops, let's see. Let's leave the chart of SPY. Fine. I need to read the question. Oh, actually, I could read the question from here, Telex. Yeah, if you're smart, let's do that, Telex. I'm using Power E-Trade. So, and we have reviews of that, Mr. Travis. We have reviews of that on this YouTube channel. Matty Ice is asking, okay, there's so many questions as of now. Thank you for the question. Let's try to do a good job here answering all of them. So Mr. College first asked, what is my thought process? My thought process into what precisely, sir? No, the three winners for our context, we have the names. I don't think we saw Mr. College in there. Here are the three winners. One of them is currently live on here. The first one was, one of them was Tech Sales 01, who is currently a subscriber to our program, believe it or not. Then Mr. Bernard Sublet was another winner. Yeah, we did that at the beginning of this broadcast. We have been here for almost an hour and a half now. Yeah, the last 7 minutes of the trading session. And Mr. Danny Louis was another winner out of that. So that answered the question. So the platform we are using for trading, it's Power E-Trade, and we have a full review how to take trades on it, the pros and cons of all of it. We have that under. How do you spell that, my friend? Spell which one, sir? Danny Louis? Liu is the name of the winner, one of our winners. So I'm not sure what you want me to spell, Mr. Travis. And we have a question from Matty Ice. Matty Ice is asking 200 calls. Oh, Power E-Trade. Yes, exactly, sir. Yep, that's it. Yep. So sometimes, yeah, they spell it either with a star between the E and the T, or if you just type E-Trade in one word, it will find it as well. We have tons of video. We even have, actually, instead of me saying that, let me do you one better, sir. I can do better than that. I have to do better than that. I mean, I have to be held to higher standards now. I have 1,000 subscribers, for God's sake. So we have many videos on here. So here's one of them. But actually, instead of me doing this, that's not smart. What I need to do is to get you the playlist of all of them. So Power E-Trade, here's the link for one video. But let me actually do you one better than that by sharing the playlist, which has all of the videos on this channel related to Power E-Trade. That's more helpful, we will think, right? So let's click on here and copy that. Yep, all of them. I think we have 10 videos on Power E-Trade. And please, if you find that you need for a specific information, we will do a video. We just did one today on how to use TradingView. So that's what we do here. Subscriber, they ask for things that to help them, and we do that. Control V. All right. So yeah, I'm not evading the question, Mr. Matty Ice. 200 calls on Disney expiring April 2021. Oh, Mr. Matty, that type of analysis is not what we do on here for us most of the time, right? I mean, in order, let's take a look though. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm laughing because my support team just sent me a message with the 1K. I'm gonna post it on the channel. I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail. So merci Miss Aline. I'm definitely gonna use that. I'm gonna use that. Je vais utiliser ça. Je vais poster ça sur la chaîne. Merci. Successful trading 1K subscribers. So let's go here in the last few minutes here already. I'm good. This is good. I love this type of interaction, folks. I really hope we will be doing more of this. So I appreciate the questions, and I'm going to make it my due diligence to answer all of them. So Disney, 200 calls in for April. I do not know what's your thoughts, right, on why you take that trade, especially for April. But for me, from a technical point of view, right, that's what I can speak of on here. So the setup on here, Disney gapped recently. Just was it on Monday? Like most of the stocks trading at 137. It's a little bit stretched. A little bit stretched. How do we know that? Because now, instead of the price, it got rejected here at the high of 147.68, and then like today, the market wasn't necessarily bearish and it's posting a bearish candle. That's just technicality. That means that the stock is looking for room because the upper Bollinger here was at 139. Now it's trading at 137. So maybe a good entry could be if when it retests and it bounces off of this exponential moving average, the yellow line, typically. But if you really want to look at something expiring in April, we need to go to the weekly charts to see how the stock is trending. Yeah. So this stock on here just gapped. So even on the weekly, it doesn't have room. So that's something that for me, I'm usually a little bit shy. Yeah. Just to be further patient if, let's say, there is a small pullback. So that's really we trade weekly options on here typically. So when it comes time to analyze something, not that we cannot do it. Oh, we showed you how we do it, right? If the price is above the moving average and posting higher highs, yes. But even here, you see, this year they bought the dip here and then it went in nice run, came back, settled a little bit, and then it seems as if Disney, it's processing by burst. Yeah, it's not a straightforward line that is ramping up. So hence, I don't know. For me, a stock like this, I will be more prone to trade them bi-weekly instead of maybe taking a position that further up. And as of now, it needs to cool off a little bit off of the recent spike. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it is 2 minutes to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 minutes to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We have been filling questions on Fan Appreciation Day on YouTube today, where we reached 1,000 subscribers. We are excited. We have giveaway, and we will continue with the giveaway, please. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, but make sure that your settings on your YouTube settings that we can see your name after you subscribe. That's where we will put that name in a drawing every month to get you to come and trade with us, just like Mr. Danny Tech Sales, who is already a subscriber, so we will need to work something out. And Mr. Bernard, those were the 3 lucky winners for today as we are about to close the show here on this Veterans Day, November 11, 2020. And I'm showing at the camera the name on a piece of paper. Okay, sure, Mr. Matty. All right, let's see what do we have here. All right, so SPY decided to rebuke us, at least on the put side. So no money making here for us today on the put side. Hey, folks, sometimes actually we have seen things happen in the 15 minutes that SPY doesn't have anything, but I mean, hey, if it does that, more power to SPY. But hey, we are still in the game for Friday, the call. So from here, what can we do, folks? Because we need to pay attention. We have calls right now in our single position expiring on Friday, the 365. We pay them. Did we overpay for them? Because let's see what did they do with them. So the 365 call expiring on Friday, how much are they going for? Earlier, were they going for 10? So the 365, yeah, they are flat. They are going for 11 cents as of now. Okay, fine. But folks, as we carry position overnight, one thing that we like to do is hedge, right? So it will be interesting. So we spend 10 cents per contract on those that are flat, the 365 calls. Maybe we need to have to consider a hedge just in case, yeah, just in case, because there's no telling when we wake up tomorrow or when the trade open tomorrow what SPY will do. So woman wants it to, because here as of now, let me bring back the chart this way. Too dodgy, okay, up. So the trend, is it going up? Sure. But just in case, maybe from 10 cents, maybe put, let's say we can put 3-4 cents into some cheap puts just to cover ourselves. So for that, let's say for Friday, what are they showing here? I mean, all of this, because the expiration is still further away, they are really expensive. So right now we about 9 points we are taking on one direction on the other one will be 340, 348 thereabouts. So they are for 10 cents as well. So try filling out anything of the type, let's say 343, 342 puts, just in case you hedge. That's why the market move hard in any direction. We are standing our ground and we will just say, okay, we will go and collect. That's how we trade here. That's our philosophy, our mindset. We try to hedge at all costs possible to avoid any surprises. How much is the membership? Hey, Mr. Matty Ice. So the membership, let me give you the website link. Successfultradings.com /membership. Successful, if I can spell. We have different type of membership, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So you will find all of that information there. So membership, let me put it here. Yep, hopefully that's the correct address. So yeah. Folks, I'm not in a rush to go anywhere. So if you guys have further questions, I'm still game. I mean, SPY is still open. So not that we anticipate that anything will happen, but actually it's going further up. So meaning that our calls are making money. So hence we can't really wait until the last, let's say 2 minutes. We still have, it's 4:03 Eastern time. We still have until 4:15. So we have 11-12 minutes. So if it's as it's going up, the puts are going to be cheaper, right, for Friday. So while our calls are appreciating, so not bad. So yeah, I was saying that I'm not in a hurry. I can fill other questions. So yes, Mr. Matty, we trade weekly options. The reason why we trade weekly options, and actually I meant to show that, you can see our record here. Let me switch screens. Did I block my screen? Okay, let me switch screens on here and show you our performance. Yeah, we have been doing this we started the last week of May, so 25 weeks. Yeah, this is week number 25. Oh yeah, trust me. Oh man, I'm gonna have so many emotions making the video for this coming Friday, because week 25, this has been our performance. We can give you the average move per trade. So we get stock out of our AI machine. I did it live here when I gave that trade on IQ. So let's see how that trade works out. So we have had 10 baggers. We have an average of 2 to 10 baggers per week. A 10 bagger is a profit of 900% or more. And the win rate here for us that you see in this last column is if the stock move in absolute value by more than 4%. And you can catch most of this information obviously on our YouTube channel. We make a video every Saturday, and also on our Twitter account. Our Twitter account is @Gangster_Trade. And if you don't know what a Gangster trade is, oh boy, that's just by itself is worth the price of admission. That should get everybody excited. So now we have two variations of the website is broken. The website is broken, meaning that I gave you a bad link, or it's broken, that is down. According to my the Google Analytics here, I see traffic on it right now. So that means I gave you the wrong address. So successfultradings.com. Yeah, I think, yeah, I tapped the wrong address. Yeah, I say successful tradings. No, sorry about that. You see, in my excitement, successfultradings.com/membership. Yep. Yep. So it's, yeah, you don't need www, but even if you put www, we'll still go there. Successfultradings in one word.com www.watchlist.com/membership is the proper address. The website is up. Trust me, I can monitor live traffic on it. Yes, he was definitely broken. A bad typo on my part. So where were we saying? Yeah, so we were sharing with you the screen that you have right now, our performance of our trade, which we track here every single week with 10 baggers. Oh boy, did we get 10 baggers this week? I mean, even new traders, right? And this is something that I need I need to do a better job showcasing because I haven't been doing that even on our Twitter. We don't have somebody yet, but hopefully that will come soon. Is there a way for me to share our Discord room? Our Discord room, actually, you can come to our Discord and see the live channel that are available to accessible by anybody to see our performance. So that's posted on there. Yes, sir. Yep. The membership is giving you definitely the education, because the name of our channel is Option Traders for Beginner. We want to educate people who, if you haven't traded before, that's even better, because we're confident that we're going to give you the right skill, the right technical skill. We create video purposely for that. So, and we then take that knowledge, and then we are able to apply it to our very alerts. Those alerts are coming from a program that I created in 2017. I just ran it live, and from that, so that's where we saw that IQ trade. We don't know how that's going to turn out, but like this week, folks, oh boy, how many 10 bagger did we get? I even forgot to count. The market gapped up, right? So meaning we gave trade on Fridays. Our traders, they know what we're going to trade the next week ahead of time. This is not one of those subscription programs where, hey, I do the trade work out, and then I send something to your phone where you cannot get an entry. If you were here live with us, just at the same time as we enter the 6 cents or 7 cents contract and 10 cents on SPY, I do that at the same time. Some traders, they are so well trained in our system, they can even get better entry than I do, because what? They study, and we all know which stock we're going to be trading ahead of time. What's my background? I'm an engineer. On my website, Mr. Matty, you can actually see that I'm an engineer. I'm a telecom engineer. Yeah, I've been working for one of the leading telecom companies for just too long, over 20 years now. And my passion in trading started in 2014. And this thing here, I have been putting it up for so long. I started a blog at successfultrading.com, and that blog led me into creating videos. The success of those videos about March time frame, right when COVID hit, it's what brought all of this together. Like, I didn't have a Discord room prior to May, not at all. I've been trading with a group of friends, trading inside of inside a WhatsApp room, which I'm going to go now and get you the link because that's where successful trading used to be at. Get you the link for the WhatsApp. Not that I have it somewhere else, but where is our WhatsApp? At least I can think of it. Here's our WhatsApp. So I'm going to copy that. But folks, please, I typically do not know this. Today is Fan Appreciation Day, so I'm breaking out my own rule. When you come into our Discord, please take the time to introduce yourself here a little bit. But definitely browse around. We have a channel for 10 baggers, meaning where we have been encouraging traders to post their winners. That way is not just, hey, what's happening on here. So hence, for the first time today, we are giving the Discord room, because typically we do not. We have a process by which we invite traders to, because they will send us an email and things like that. But hey, we reached 1K subscribers, so congratulations to you guys. It's because of you that's right here. So here is for everybody who attended or who's gonna be having this playback. They can have access to that Discord room. But introduce yourself, please. Tell me a little bit about you, what you are looking for, and definitely we typically set up a free chat so that I know that our system can be a match for you based on your trading level, and as well as us being a match for you. Because otherwise, I mean, you sign up for somewhere not knowing what you're signing up for. That's not good. We rather want to talk to you ahead of time before you sign up. That way we know that we are on the same page. Oh, they're saying that our Discord link is expired. Okay, that's good. That's good. We haven't been here for 1 year, but no, let me try to get you. Hopefully, is this the same link? I mean, no, we have been getting a link to our new subscribers. So let's try this. So what is this one? This one is, no, it's the same one. It's the same one. So if that one is expired, then we have a problem. Well, I can generate a new one, but this is the same one that we have been giving Mr. Mr. Matty Ice. I am not sure why. It is expired. When did it expire then? I don't know if Discord is having some issues. Okay, you scared me a little bit, but because trust me, when somebody join, a brand new subscriber join, that's the first thing we give them. And this is like in an automated email. So somebody, I don't know if that's you, Matt Yox FN. So not sure if that's you, but somebody just pop into our general member room. Okay, well, that's it, folks, hanging around. Well, if you missed out, today was appreciation day, folks, at Successful Tradings, and we hit 1K subscriber. We could not appreciate you any more than we are right now. We had 3 people who got access to our service for free for the rest of the year. Yeah, originally it was for a full month, but since we delayed it, we take it on us. So from November 11 all the way through. So Danny Louis, it's one of those, and we will be looking for Bernard, Mr. Bernard Sublet. As for the gentleman from Texas, TechSales01, he is already a subscriber, a paying member. So we will work something with him. What do I think of Tesla Exploration shares? I do not really trade Tesla that much, so I have to plead the fifth on this, meaning that I do not know. I do not have an opinion per se, Mr. Travis. Tesla, we have a big, let's say when we say big, we have 100 stock, or less than 100 stock, to be honest. About 100 stock that we trade, that we put into our machine. Tesla is in there, but Tesla in the past, since before the split, it was so expensive, right? Here we trade very cheap options. That's how we're able to make the 10 baggers that you see on the screen, right? Meaning we buy, the average contract that we buy, folks, is below 50 cents. And we like to close the position when they go, I don't know, $1, $2, $10, like Baba a couple of days ago. We will be making those videos on there. Or actually, you saw some of the videos that we posted on the YouTube channel. We are posting short videos just to highlight some of the things that are happening in our Discord. We will continue making those in the near future here. All right. Let me then say, okay, Mr. Matsi Isolia. So let me say welcome, greet you. Yeah, and yeah, when you first come back, you first come into our Discord room, you will land into the general section, and then on your left there are all type of channels that you have access to, right? Even video channels are there, and typically you will find results, what some of the traders are being able to make in terms of the winner in inside a section called winning trades, just winners, and the 10 baggers. The 10 bagger is typically, I mean, we have vulgarized that into 1000% move, which we are telling you that since the month of May, yeah, that's sometimes when we say that people have to take a step back. Yes, you do. Also, we the first time that's we share that we have had 50 10 baggers, meaning 50 different trades that have yielded more than 1000% win here on this channel. And I'm not counting the 1 this week. Yeah, I'm not counting this week. That was as of last week, week number 24, with expiration on November the 6th. We trade weekly options, so they can be very cheap in entry, and then when they appreciate, we sell them at a very high price. All right, Mr. Travis, thank you for the message. I'm definitely on YouTube. I'm going to reply to that right now. Thank you. I mean, yeah, we teach traders here. Our aim is to teach traders, new traders, beginner traders, whatever they need. Yeah, 33 cents a share. So if that's a penny stock, those we're trying to stay away from because we trade options, Mr. Travis. Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Okay, Spy is fully closed now. It's 4:18 Eastern. So it closed at 357.21. Let's just check here very quickly in the background. What was the 365 calls that we took earlier? What did they close at? They were at 10 cents. Did they move any further? 10, 11 cents although. So we still have tomorrow. We shall see. Okay, they went to 12 bid, 14 ask. So, hey, it is what it is, right? So we don't need to be in the money to make money, meaning that if you are holding the 365 calls and you're looking at it like, oh, this is $8 away. First of all, $8 in 2 days, nothing for SPY. It's a mere 1% is a $3.50. So 2.5% on SPY, they could do that on one day if they ever want it, right? So that's not a problem. But should we say, let's say tomorrow, SPY gain, let's say 1% and trading above 360, that position will actually appreciate by, it will double easily. Yep. So that's how option works, so close to expiration. That's why for us on here, trading on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is heaven because we spend very little money and that money can turn into big money. Okay, folks, let's see. Any further questions as we are wrapping things up on here? If really like to thank everybody who made this possible. And trust me, I have so many. Didn't hear the question. So, well, I just said if people still have any questions left. So let's see. Maybe I was further away from my mic. Well, 52 people join us in the playback version. That's, I think, is that our record? That's really nice. Looking forward to many of those to come. We appreciate you guys. Yeah, we don't trade penny stocks, really. We we trade options, so most of the penny stocks they will not even have options. So, and we have traders though. We have traders here in inside our Discord that trade stock. Our system, people can use it for trading stock. Don't get me wrong. And actually, but in our list of stock that we have, the stock are typically starting at least. Which one is our cheapest stock in our watch list, bigger watch list? FCX. FCX right now is actually, I think, is it $20? So typically it's about $20 or $15 there. But we traded FCX at $11. So, but nothing definitely below $1 for sure. The idea for us is to leverage options, and because we trade them weekly with confidence, because our AI machines picks which one it thinks that they are going to be moving the most in that week, and hence we can trade them for pennies on the dollar rather than the stocks themselves. Yeah, so Mr. Travis is asking if I have a brokerage account on another platform, will my brokerage account stay the same on another platform? Oh yeah, absolutely. When if trading with us, you don't need to change your broker account. Yeah, you just need, if for us we trade options mostly, you just need to make sure that your brokers and your account allow you to trade options. That's it. We have people who are trading. I use Power E Trade. Most of the people here use. It's quite a few people use Power E Trade as well. Most of people use TD Ameritrade. Um, some other use Schwab. We have a long of how do they call it? Robinhood traders. The other use Webull. Yeah. So as long as you're able to trade options, whichever platform you have right now will stay the same. All right, all right, all right, all right. Is it time to wrap things up? Thank you, Mr. Travis. Please, if you have further questions, on the website, you can definitely we can communicate. My email is on the website. You can find out more about me under the section. Is it contacts or about? And there is even a form there where people have been using it for any inquiry that they may have about our system. Oh, I'm so thankful, folks. I am so thankful. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully, the rest of your Veteran Days, November 11, if you are stateside, it's going well. I'm going to be resting. So it's only, I'm in California. It's about 1:25 Pacific. And great, great, great to have everybody. So we will continue tomorrow morning pre-markets as usual at 8:40 Eastern. If you fancy to join us, we will be more than glad to explore opportunities to make money out of this market. Until then, have a great evening, have a great morning. Oh, I know that some folks who may be, let's say, in Asia, I don't know if somebody's stuck around for that late. I'm thinking for our traders in Singapore, for instance. But whenever that you will be catching this, we bid you adieu. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. More to come regarding appreciation that we have for our the subscriber who have help us reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We could not do it without you, and our sole presence here is strictly because you are finding value in our content. Have a great evening, everybody. Bye bye.